We are going to continue about geometry, and that is all about congruent angles. Two angles that have the same measure are called congruent angles. So let me show to you ABC and angle DF. So why they are being called as congruent angles? Because they have the same size and the same shape. Next, pairs of angles and their types. We have adjacent angles up to linear pairs of angles. First, adjacent angles. Two angles that have a common vertex and a common ray. Okay, this is the ray, and then this is the vertex. So that means the adjacent angles are angle ABD and angle DBC. So their common ray is BD, ray BD. Adjacent angles do not overlap each other. This is because adjacent angles are two coplanar, non-overlapping angles that share a common vertex and a common side. So based on the figure here, they are not adjacent angles. Kaya wala mo sila nagtapad. Next, vertically opposite angles. These are the pairs of angles formed by two lines intersecting at a point. Okay, they intersect at point P. That means four angles are formed at the point of intersection. Vertical angles have the same measure, and non-adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines. So that means point P is the common vertex of the four angles. And vertically opposite angles are congruent. So as I've said, they have the same measure. Angle APC is equal to angle BPD. Okay, APC and BPD. Another, angle APB and angle CPD are equal. Next, complementary angles. Based on the figure, the angle ABC has a measure of 60 degrees and angle DF has a measure of 30 degrees. Why are they complementary? Because their sum is 90 degrees. So 60 plus 30 is 90. That means they are complementary because, okay, we have here the formula. That's it. How about this? DEF has a measure of 70 and PQR has a measure of 30 degrees. So they are not complementary because their sum should not more than or less than 90 degrees. So if we're going to add this, the sum is 100 degrees, not 90. How about supplementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, for example, angle PQR and angle ABC, so 180, that is 180. How about this? Angle ABC has a measure of 110 degrees. Angle DF has a measure of 80 degrees. What is the sum? 190, therefore not supplementary. Linear pair of angles. If two adjacent supplementary angles, then tawag siya o linear pair of angles. Adjacent meaning tapat. Supplementary, their sum is 180 degrees. Okay. So, are they linear pair? Yes, because if we're going to add 60 and 120, that is 180 degrees. So